everybody, this is Mark Rollins again from the Geek Church, and today we got not one, but two products from our old favorite, iHome. Yes, they sent us these guys, and they are both kind of very similar products. Essentially, they're wireless charging speakers that also act as alarm clocks. And you guys remember the alarm clock, right? That business kind of went out of business after everyone had a smartphone, didn't they? I'm going to start with this one. It's just simply known as the iBTW281. So let's open her up, see what's inside. Okay. All right. Okay, we got some nice eco-conscious packaging. This is always good when I review iHome products, and we reviewed many. We'll have to put some links down there because we do this every once in a while, and they're always great to visit and really fun to visit at CES too. Okay, so we got the actual product in here. Underneath all this stuff. Ooh, hey, look at this guy. It's kind of cool. So, let's see. We got a plug in here. Let's see if we can plug this guy in, huh? All right. Okay. So the actual unit itself doesn't really look all that much. It's actually quite small. I thought it would take up more space, but clearly you can't really believe everything you see on the box. Anyway, so comes with the, that's pretty much it. It comes with this and the charging cord. I'm gonna just stick this in here, and there's a lot of buttons on here. So, okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so, oh, hey, check it out. We're already, oh, dude, we're already flashing. That is pretty slick. Okay, so let's test out a few things. First of all, I've got a phone that I can do wireless charging on. I want to see how well it works. So, okay, we got it? We got it! Okay, it's charging. Some phones you have to like get that sweet spot on the wireless charging pad in order to get it to work. This one worked right away, which I like. So, let's see. Here. Ah, too bad there's no way we can kill. Can we kill these lights so we can see like the color pattern? Ooh, hey, all right. So it's getting kind of disco-y here. I wonder what this button does. Does anything do this? Is it changing anything?
Pairing.
Oh, shoot. Hey, we didn't want pairing, but we now know that happens. Okay. I'm told this thing has like 7 ways of doing the light setup and also wake-up lights as well. Hey, have some fun on this all day. Anyway, this product is pretty cool. It costs about $79.99, I believe. And let's check out the other one. It's iBTW20. And this guy is also known as a time base, and he is a little bit smaller than this, or at least he looks a little bit smaller in the box. We'll go ahead and open her up, and all right, okay. Okay, once again, eco-conscious packaging, charging cord, and interesting shape we got on this guy, isn't it? Well, let's check it out. Let's get out the wrapping. Okay. All right, so this time base, unlike the other thing, it's actually very small, isn't it? Look at this guy. He's like, oh yeah. He's made so you can fit this guy up in portrait mode or something. And check this out here. I wonder if this cable's, all right, we're just gonna try this. Well, that worked. Okay, at least I think it did. Okay, so it's made so we can put our phone up and have some nice wireless charging action. Does it work? Ooh, it does. Hey, nice. This guy's a bit more complicated in here. I don't see any numbers or anything. Oh, there we go. We got the numbers here. 12 o'clock, like a little VCR right here. So basically, no color changes, and but it does have the Bluetooth speaker. Lots of buttons on the side. And let's just try pushing them at random. Okay, nothing's going on. One thing I like here, there's this, you can't really see this very well, but there's this thing that says ZZZ on it. That's the snooze button, and it's right in front of your phone, right where it needs to be. So hey, you can charge your phone all night on this thing, and you can use it to play music. A speaker will come through, and charge your phone, wake up with it, because we all do that now. Anyway, so I believe this is about $59.99 last time I checked. So that's 2 products from iHome we reviewed, and we sure do look forward to reviewing more in the future. We'll get some good videos on that. All right, that's all for now, and we'll see you later on the Geek Church.